a very warm welcome. I am Ruchi Sharma. Despite Ethereum's price dip to $2,000 earlier this month, investor interest in US-listed spot ETF has surged, signaling a strong shift away from Bitcoin. According to Farside investors, 9 Ether spot ETFs in the US have seen a cumulative net inflow of $393 million in February. This figure is 7 times higher than January's inflows as per Glassnode, with only 2 days of outflows recorded. Meanwhile, Bitcoin ETFs have struggled, registering a net outflow of $376 billion this month and inflows on just 4 trading days. The shift to ETH is largely attributed to carry trading strategies where traders buy spot ETFs while shorting ETH CME futures. Additionally, some investors are making outright bullish bets on Ethereum's long-term prospects. Donald Trump supporters are getting rewarded with a few dollars worth of his official Trump token if they had purchased any of the merchandise from websites associated with the US president. 3 Trump tokens worth just over $50 will be given to past buyers of Trump's perfumes, sneakers, cards, or watches per email address they used to conduct these purchases. The token can be claimed until March 1st. Trump is down 8% in the past 24 hours alongside a slide in the broader crypto market. US-based art collective Canvas made the largest non-fungible token purchase in 3 years last week, scooping up a one-of-a-one artwork by Sam Spratt for $3 million. The artwork is called X Masquerade and is the 6th chapter in the story of Lucy. It ties into an upcoming invite-only event that allows supporters to participate in a game by purchasing a mask of Lucy for 2.56 Ether worth $6,800. Non-fungible token marketplace OpenSea has paused its new Airdrop reward system following criticism from users over its mechanics. On Jan 28th, the NFT marketplace started providing access to the beta version of its upgraded marketplace OS2. Users were introduced to new mechanics such as points that would contribute to their eligibility for an upcoming airdrop of the platform's native token C. Community members expressed their frustration over the platform's experience points system, saying that it's not conducive to builders, promotes wash trading, and prioritizes earning fees. In response to user feedback, OpenSea co-founder and CEO Devin Finzer announced that the platform's taking a step back by pausing XP rewards for listing and bidding. Instead, the NFT platform would focus on XP shipments, a mechanism they introduced on Feb 14. OKX is among the first MiCA-licensed crypto exchanges to passport its services across Europe, offering fully regulated localized crypto trading in the European Economic Area, now available to over 400 million users in 28 countries via its Malta hub. Users benefit from OTC, spot, and bot trading, 240 plus tokens, 300 plus pairs including over 60 EUR pairs, free EUR deposits, multilingual support, local payment methods, and more. This milestone under MiCA licensing heralds truly secure, accessible crypto trading for Europe. Hyperliquid, a Layer 1 blockchain platform, launched a bug bounty program alongside the rollout of Hyper EVM, its general-purpose Ethereum virtual machine. On Feb 18, the Hyper Foundation, which supports the Hyperliquid ecosystem, launched Hyper EVM. Unlike other EVMs, Hyper EVM is not a separate chain. Instead, it is secured by the same consensus mechanism as Hyperliquid's Layer 1. According to Hyperliquid, this allows the EVM to directly interact with native components of the Layer 1 network. As part of its launch, the platform introduced a bug bounty program to reward developers who can find bugs within the system. Despite the launch of the Hyper EVM, the ecosystem's native token remained steady, hovering at around $26 according to CoinGecko. The token has a market capitalization of $8.6 billion and a 24-hour trading volume of over $200 million. An earlier version of the newly launched Grok 3, an AI large language model, has beat rival AI systems from Google, OpenAI, and DeepSeek in a community-driven blind evaluation. On Feb 18, Elon Musk announced xAI's latest AI model release, Grok 3, during a live stream on X. In the discussion, the xAI team revealed it had released an early Grok 3 version on El Marina under the alias Chocolate for community testing. According to xAI's internal comparison of AI models, Grok 3 scored at least 10 points more than its biggest competitors, ChatGPT, O3 Mini, O1, DeepSeek R1, and Gemini 2 Flash Thinking in math, science, and coding. Crypto stablecoin issuer Tether has inked an agreement with the African nation of Guinea for the country to explore the adoption of blockchain and peer-to-peer tech. Tether said in a Feb 17 blog post that it signed a memorandum of understanding that hopes to establish the groundwork for the country's adoption of blockchain technologies and create an environment conducive to innovation. The agreement aims to share best practices with the West African nation, focusing on education, innovation, and sustainable tech practices, the company added. South Korea has put the brakes on the DeepSeek chatbot app, which had been gaining attention for its AI-powered services. The Personal Information Protection Commission announced that DeepSeek agreed to stop new downloads starting February 15th. This is all because the government is investigating how the Chinese company handles personal data, which has raised a lot of security concerns. While the app's not available for new users, people who already have it can still use it, though the PIPC has warned existing users to stay cautious until the investigation is over. The Commission is taking a deep dive into how DeepSeek processes personal information during this pause and plans to make sure the company follows South Korea's privacy laws. HK Asia Holdings stock price nearly doubled after the company announced that it had bought just one Bitcoin. The Hong Kong-based investment firm revealed on Feb 16 that it acquired one BTC for about $96,150 using internal funds. Despite the small purchase, the stock skyrocketed 93% to close at 5.5 Hong Kong dollars on Feb 17, nearing its 2019 peak. The company called the move symbolic but a step towards integrating digital assets into its financial plans. They believe Bitcoin is a reliable store of value, especially with economic uncertainties and inflation concerns. That's all this bulletin for now. This is Mritu Sharma signing off. Do like, share and subscribe to 3 TV, and for more information stories log on to our website www.3worldtv.io or scan the QR code.